little machine cleaning. Raise the needle, make sure it's off. Oh, sorry, jiggling the camera. Then it's difficult with the camera in the way. Remove the needle. Bobbin. Then this whole plate is gonna like pop up. You'll see it once I loosen these screws. I wish I had a little, all I have is this little thing, but I ordered a bitty screwdriver that'll work a little tiny bit better, I think, for this. See, it's already popping. Yeah. Then it's kind of in your way, so that's why I kind of leave it down. Okay, then you remove the plate. This is what mine looks like. And if you look, you can see lint in here, little fibers. I got these. Where's my camera? Here we go. I got these things back up from Temu. Relatively inexpensive. Like, I don't know, 89 cents or something for 5 of them or something. When you use cotton thread, this all in here, all in the feed dogs, everything gets loaded with this stuff, this just lint. So get in there and clean it out real good. They say not to use a blower because it can blow the junk into your machine. I did I finished a quilt in here, and I did it with cotton thread. Look at this gunk, see? And everything sticks to this. This is like a foam rubber. And it doesn't really look like I'm doing much, but look at this. It does a lot. Gotta get in there, clean it out regularly. And then, look at that, see? I don't know if you can hear the TV, but my man has put on Star Trek, one of the ones with Chris Pine. I love those movies. I think they're excellent. And I think they're actually better than the original. Shh, don't tell anybody. But yeah. And I also have this, which is actually, an ear cleaner. I also got it from Temu, but these are soft and rubber, and it's perfect for getting in there. And I even use it sometimes when I'm threading my machine to pull the thread out. It works really good. Everything just clings right to that. And for me, the great thing about having a Juki is these machines are only serviced once every 5 years, which is awesome. Get in there really good. Not too bad. little bit left. And then we put everything back together. I just oiled my machine, so normally I would put 1 drop of oil right on the bobbin, where the bobbin goes, but I just oiled it when I put that one in there. So, and that was not a full bobbin when I did that. But I every time the bobbin is empty, I do oil that little thing, and that's the only area that needs to be oiled every time. Otherwise, these little, there's a couple of these on the top. There's one there, and there's one over here. Those 2 get oiled, and the ones on the top, they only get oiled once every, I think it's 3 months or 4 months, something like that. 3 to 6 months, something like that. So that's that. And I suggest, this tea, it's great. This is the one that came with the machine, but it's very difficult because there's stuff back here that prevents it from you know, turning properly. So then, this one's easier. They just blew something up in that Star Trek movie. I think this is the second one he's watching. And then close that. This is a new needle. I just put it in the beginning of this project, the pillow project. If you watched my pillow project, then you know that's it. So needle goes in, but the flat side towards this little dial. Push it all the way up inside. I finger tighten it and then finish tighten it with my little thingy. Then I turn it on. The foot's up. Pull this down. Give some slack. Let's see if I can do this with the. Oh, I gotta put this down. Put it on this. This is the Juki TL2010Q. Push this down. There's a little hook back there, and then I let go. If you're having trouble with your threader, check your needle and thread size. It has to match, right? So if you have a big fat thread and a little tiny needle, it's not going to work. These are great for bringing up the bottom thread. And there we go. All clean. And this is all the gunk that I got out of my machine. Regular cleaning. Very important. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. This is my little vacuum cleaner. That's it. Works great. Thumbs up.